Welcome to my Ninja SS101 review. If you're ready to take your smoothie game to the next level, then you'll like what I'm about to show you. Honestly, the Ninja SS101 Foodi is a versatile powerhouse that'll revolutionize your kitchen routine. With its robust 1,200 peak watt motor, you can effortlessly blend tough ingredients without stalling or shaking. This nifty gadget offers 6 pre-programmed functions, making it a breeze to whip up smoothies, spreads, and more. The SmartTORQUE technology ensures smooth blending every time. You'll love the 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker with its built-in tamper. It's perfect for creating thick, Instagram-worthy smoothie bowls and nut butters. For on-the-go drinks, the 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup has you covered. Cleanup is a snap too. The parts are dishwasher safe, saving you precious time. Plus, with 2 blending options and 1 compact base, storage is a cinch. The Ninja SS101 Foodi comes with a recipe guide to spark your culinary creativity. It's your ticket to healthier, tastier drinks and snacks. Say goodbye to frustrating blending sessions. The Ninja SmartTORQUE technology is a game changer for your smoothie game. With 1,200 peak watts of power, this blender tackles even the toughest ingredients without missing a beat. You'll love how it powers through frozen fruits and veggies effortlessly. No more stopping to shake or stir, just smooth blending from start to finish. The powerful motor means you can create thick, creamy smoothie bowls with less liquid. This feature is perfect for whipping up nut butters too. You can blend almonds or cashews into silky spreads without the motor struggling or overheating. The SmartTORQUE also helps extract more nutrients from your ingredients by breaking them down thoroughly. While it's not the quietest blender out there, the trade-off in power is worth it for most users. You'll get consistent results every time, whether you're making smooth drinks or chunky dips. Simplicity meets innovation with the Ninja Foodi's Auto IQ technology. You'll love how easy it is to create perfect smoothies, spreads, and more at the touch of a button. The 6 pre-programmed functions take the guesswork out of blending, combining precise pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns for optimal results. No more standing by the blender, adjusting speeds manually. The Auto IQ programs do all the work for you. Want a smooth extraction? Hit that button. Craving a thick smoothie bowl? There's a setting for that too. Busy mornings just got easier. The Ninja Foodi Smoothie Maker is designed with your active lifestyle in mind. You'll love the 2 24-oz cups that come with spout lids. Perfect for taking your smoothies on the road. The compact size won't hog counter space, and it's a breeze to store. Cleanup is a snap too. Just pop the parts in the dishwasher and you're done. No more excuses for skipping breakfast. This blender is a kitchen powerhouse. You've got 6 different functions at your fingertips, making it a breeze to whip up all sorts of treats. Want a smooth, sippable smoothie? Done. Craving a thick, spoonable smoothie bowl? No problem. The 1,200 watt motor packs a punch, easily handling tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. The SmartTORQUE technology is a game changer. It powers through dense mixtures without stalling, so you won't need to stop and stir. The Auto IQ feature takes the guesswork out of blending with pre-programmed settings that do the work for you. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, SmartTORQUE technology powers through frozen foods effortlessly. 6 versatile functions for easy one-touch operation. Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending. Compact design with multiple blending options. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Now for the cons, can be noisy during operation, limited capacity for large batches, might struggle with very hard ingredients like ice cubes. You'll find a lot of love for this Ninja SS101 in the Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker reviews. Many users rave about its powerful 1,200 watt motor, which easily blends frozen ingredients for thick smoothie bowls. The preset functions are a hit as well, making it super simple to whip up smoothies and nut milks with just a button press. Folks also appreciate how well it handles tough ingredients like cashews. Some reviewers note it's a bit noisy, but they feel the performance is worth it. The ability to create creamy, well-blended drinks impresses many users too. Overall, people seem thrilled with this blender's capabilities and ease of use. Its power and versatility for making smoothies, bowls, and more have won over many happy customers. As any Ninja SS101 reviews will tell you, this Ninja blender packs a punch with its 1,200 watt motor, giving you the power to create silky smoothies and nutrient-packed drinks effortlessly. You'll love the versatility of its 6 functions, letting you whip up everything from smoothies to spreads. The SmartTORQUE technology ensures smooth blending even with tough ingredients. With 2 to-go cups included, you can blend and dash out the door. While it might be a bit noisy, the convenience and performance make it worth considering. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or just looking to up your kitchen game, this Ninja could be a great addition to your countertop.